2026 marks a milestone for Markor. 40 years of delivering performance, quality, and innovation to the automotive aftermarket. For 4 decades, we've partnered with the world's top manufacturers, connecting shops and enthusiasts across Canada with the parts they trust. Now, to celebrate our 40th anniversary, we're shining a spotlight on the brands that have helped define Markor and performance legacy we've built together. Join us as we explore the stories, innovations, and products that have made these partnerships legendary.
Welcome back to Markor Automotive. I'm Jared with HMG, today to talk about Caliber products. Caliber Products has been a long-standing powersports accessory company, building everything from legacy product for your snowmobile trailer to protect the floor while you're riding your snowmobile in and out. Now, we've expanded that. Today, we're talking about an Automotive ProTech flooring by Caliber that is revolutionizing your garage, giving it a great look and protecting your floor with something that is very easily to stand on while you're washing a vehicle. On top of that, this product is very universal. It comes with areas where you can snap it together. You can do it fixed, partially fixed, or fully floating, depending on your need. It comes in smooth or XT for additional grip. Say if you want to do something for like a trailer door or it's exposed to the elements, this is a great product for that. Markor Automotive stocks a large amount of the Caliber ProTech flooring and should be your source for Caliber products.